Video is expensive,
time-consuming,
and it doesn't always get the results we expect it to.
They're the three most common complaints we hear when we talk to people about video content. And that's why we developed Video as a Service.
It's a series of video content packages that save you money, minimize disruption, and make sure your videos get the return on investment that you need.
Whether that's selling more, recruiting great people, or attracting the investment that your business needs,
Video works when it's done well.
our custom-built packages help create a content calendar based around your specific objectives.
We'll then produce your content and set up your channels and campaigns to make sure they deliver.
We'll work with you to refine your content and make sure we keep learning about what the analytics is telling us, about what works best, at what time, on what channel.
if you're still here, I'm guessing you're interested.
So hit the link
Find out how Video as a Service
Can work for you.